Question: Why did the patient visit the doctor? A. The patient visited the doctor because he had a fever and sore throat. 2. Question: What was the first question the doctor asked? A. The doctor asked, "What is your problem?" 3. Question: How long has the patient been sick? A. The patient has been sick for 3 days. 4. Question: What symptoms did the patient have? A. The patient had fever, sore throat, and weakness. 5. Question: Did the doctor check the patient's temperature? A. Yes, the doctor checked the temperature. It was 101 degrees Fahrenheit. 6. Question: What test did the doctor suggest? A. The doctor suggested a blood test. 7. Question: What medicine did the doctor prescribe? A. The doctor prescribed paracetamol and antibiotics. 8. Question: Did the doctor ask the patient to take rest? A. Yes, the doctor advised complete rest. 9. Question: When should the patient visit again? A. The doctor told the patient to come after 3 days. 10. Question: What advice did the doctor give for a quick recovery? A. The doctor advised drinking plenty of water and taking medicine on time.